The Zenna Argus Ultra High Performance Summer Tire will hands down be the most affordable of its kind here on the site, while still offering great performance and very favorable reviews. Now, the Argus will be available in 17, 18, 19, and 20-inch diameters, with section widths ranging from 205 on the narrow side all the way up to 285 on the big end. Your pricing obviously will vary depending on your sizing, but again, expect things to be super affordable here, as you will be spending between $50 and $100 per tire. So for those of you wondering who Zenna is and what they are all about, well, they're part of what is called the Pegasus Rubber Company, which is based in China and have been producing tires for over 20 years now. The tires at that point are exported to over 40 different countries all over the world, including the US and Canada, and either meet or exceed all of the safety and DOT regulations here in the USA. Now, Zenna does offer 3 big tires here in the States, which include the RDM Sport. It's going to be a little bit more aggressive. They also offer their Sport line, which is a little bit more mild-mannered. And then last but not least, we have the Argus here, which is going to land somewhere right in the middle. And with that in mind, the Argus is a UHP or Ultra High Performance Summer Tire, but at the same time has been mud and snow rated as well. So bits of all season in there, and overall a pretty versatile tire. Your UTQG numbers are going to be 420 for tread wear, which is a bit on the firm side for a UHP tire, but more in line with an all-season offering. However, it does mean you should see some nice mileage out of these things before they are all said and done. Your traction and temp grades, on the other hand, are both the highest available at a AA and single A respectively. Now, one thing some reviewers have pointed out here with the Zenna is a little bit more road noise compared to some other tires in the category, and it is something to be aware of before purchasing, of course, but at this price point, it really is hard to complain. As far as your tread design is concerned here with the Argus, well, it does feature a nice balance of the deep grooves running the circumference of the tire to help you with some wet traction, in addition to your silica compound and some of the siping here. And also does feature some wider blocks on both inner and outer shoulders to help with turn in responsiveness and overall handling stability. The tread is asymmetrical, so it does give you some options with rotating, but it does have a set inner and outer portion of the tire, so just be aware of that before mounting and balancing. Now, it wouldn't be a tire video without reminding you guys that the Zenna here is available in many of our pre-configured wheel and tire kits, and does also qualify for free mounting and balancing, optional TPMS install, and optional nitrogen fill as well. But wrapping things up, if you're looking for an extremely budget-friendly set of tires for that 79 or newer Mustang, be sure to check out a set of the Argus right here at AmericanMuscle.com.